In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily open a short position on the platform Bitunix. So to open a short trade, we simply go up here, click on open. Up here, we can choose our leverage for the short trade. In this case, let's go for a 5x and then choose the order type. So limit, we could set a certain price at which you want your trade to be opened, or just choose market to enter the trade immediately. Then down here, we can type in the position size. You have three different options, either by BTC, by the amount of your own capital that's used in this trade, or the entire position size. I personally like this down here the most. Just click on confirm and then I can type in the entire position size. So let's go for $500. And then as you can see down here for my short trade under cost, I can see I'm using $100 of my own money times the 5x leverage for the short trade will equal the position size of $500. So that's how these three work together. We can also set a take profit and stop loss down here. If you click on advanced and switch this over to short, you can also just type in, for example, how much profit you want to make. Let's say I want to make $50 of profit. You can see the price is automatically calculated, and same goes for my stop loss, maximum of, let's say, $15 of a loss. Let's click on confirm, and now we have that all set up in here. Then all we need to do down here is just click on open short, and you can see this position is open immediately. You can also directly see it in the chart right here. This is my take profit, this is where I entered the trade, this is my stop loss, and up here is also my liquidation price. If you want to get the best sign up bonus possible on Bitunix, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description. You will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $5,500 of welcome bonuses. To create your account, you simply have to enter your email address right here and set a password, or use one of these options, and then you're ready to go.